Well, I don't know if it's gonna stay in my cup, but he's gonna put something in my cup from a small juice stall set up in the busy areas in Maypen, Clarendon, selling milkshakes and frozen drinks to passers-by. Now booking big events island-wide. Sir, you're going with yourself. Mixologist and owner of Candy Fruit, Ricardo Smikely, is here to tell us about his mobile juice bar while treating us to two of his signature drinks. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you,
Fellow Clarendonian, give me the elbow now.
Respect,
sure, of course.
One done.
See? You see? All right, see there?
Yeah.
So, Ricardo, I mean, you know, Clarendon's a little quiet parish, you know,
yes,
right?
Rural, yeah.
So how you start now decide, say, may I get up and start make some drinks?
You know, so honestly, my business I've created from the veranda of my mom and finished home, which I started from Graters. So, you know, back in the days, I'm a young man at the moment, born in the 2000s, but honestly, I start off with the grater in beetroot, using my hands, boiling pineapple skins that I received from vendors in the market. I used to go with my grandpa. So, I mean, starting from there, I start off from the grater to a blender, from a blender in my school, and my principal will be proud because I start off my business in Maypen High School, which he was the first one.
Big up Maypen High?
Yeah, big up Maypen High School. He was the first one gave me the generator. Said, go to Maypen, make some money because that money was to just pay for my school fee at the time. Then I start off my candy organization and then use that money just to purchase my first two blenders. And after those two blenders, my business launched off proper in the street, you know. And I have a big respect in Maypen Town.
No, for sure you would.
Village.
I want you to start mixing because we have much more to talk about, but I want you to start the mixing because it looks very complex here, right?
Exactly.
So tell us about the different types of mixes that you've done so far and what you're going to be doing for us today. You can start.
All right, so my mixing start from slushies to milkshake, from milkshake to frappuccino.
What you call slushies again?
Slushies like syrup, like prime syrup, you know, prime syrup and so forth. So from that time,
syrup and ice?
Yeah, and lemon.
Yeah.
I use lime juice, real lime juice, and the zest to give it flavor and the aroma.
So slushies, and then you just decide, all right, let me try something else.
Exactly.
Okay.
So at the moment, I start off from there, and I move from slushies to milkshake because I realized the city of Clarendon, I go out much for kids, and I love kids. So I ensure to have proper flavors and so forth for the kids, and I start off with a milkshake, got some creamy ice cream and so forth.
Oh, so it sounds like you do mostly parties though, right?
Yes, I started from the street.
What else do you do?
The brunches, I do corporate events, I do branding and so forth. So it's a large scale. I do also weddings, and I also do picnics and so forth, and brunch on a large event. So on a large scale, this is one of my big signature at the moment for Candy Fruit.
So this is, the signature is called what?
All right, so this is called Melanin Margarita.
Melanin Margarita.
So I make from watermelon. Just for refreshing.
Oh, come here, say, but the drinks now look a little melanin-esque, you know what I mean? It look a little pink. So.
Exactly, so this is where it started.
So this is a melon juice.
Melon, exactly.
That you just added inside
I boil it and make sure it simmer, make my syrup concentrate, and after then I use my muddler and ensure to get the concentrate from the watermelon. And there I make a syrup and also a juice. So this is my pineapple, gonna garnish. This is some vodka. Yeah, so this vodka is just for flavoring.
Yeah. Well, you know, I can't have the, you know, but it looks good. It looks good. I see other people there behind me wanting to see how it look. So did you catch this? All right, see what they know?
So far.
Oh, so you just take the whole little buckle of something and just drop it in there like that?
Exactly. So that's what's flavor the drink at the moment.
Yeah. And if I tasted this, which I can't do, but if I were to taste it, what does it taste like? Tell me.
All right, so it tastes like watermelon.
I got you.
The watermelon flavor tastes tropical, and also it's not too strong, just refreshing.
Just refreshing.
So you're at the party, and time is very hot.
Yeah.
Like I said, all right.
Oh, but the excitement of going around that. Hold on, man. Come and put the, see there?
All right, so
see the excitement there? Bam.
Yes,
this looks too good. I don't even want to drink none out of it. Seriously.
So I'm adding my umbrella just for little shades on the beach. Like, for example, Dream Weekend vibe.
Yeah. I love how you said that. Dream weekend, you know who to call, right?
Exactly.
Okay, I love that for you. So something like this, so how long would it, I mean, it make in a record time. Do you have help, like if you were to cater to a big event?
I have my large team. My team start off as well from my family members, my nephew, my mom, and a large team. So I mean, any event, it could be a 10,000 event, 1,000, and so forth.
What's the name of this particular drink?
Right,
you said already, Melon.
So his name, Melanin Margarita.
Melanin Margarita. All right, you have another drink for us now. Start that one for me. What's the name of that one?
All right, so this one is the name of mango peach. Mango peach flavored sorrel extract. So this sorrel extract came from the feeling of Christmas. So I had some sorrel in my freezer and said, I'm going to boil it and make a strong extract with a little strawberry flavor. So
hold on, Ricardo. Come here, try to add up the maths. So hold on. You said mango, sorrel, and strawberry.
All right, so the strawberry and the sorrel extract going to be in the cup.
Got you.
All of
those things make one drink?
All right, so the extra going to be in the cup for this little style.
Okay.
As a secret.
Okay. So Landy, like me, we can lower eyebrow now because we were wondering how them tastes they go together.
Yes.
Because mango can be very overpowering and so can sorrel as well.
Exactly, but just a little taste because the peach now going to give it its right flavor and aroma.
Okay, got you. All right, so you have the peach in the cup.
Exactly.
Right, and you're adding what else now?
I'm adding the ice.
Add your ice. Yeah. You know, I don't want to say, Ricardo, I don't want to say no ginger. Normally, Jamaican people make drinks. Every drink must make with ginger and lime.
What if it's my secret? My secret is in there.
Gotcha. Hey,
exactly.
See?
Good to go. So, adding a little lemon. Good. Lemon juice. That's a little bit of ounce.
Okay.
Because I don't want to make it too overpowering, right? So adding a little more of the peach juice. And start on my engine.
Ooh, that look nice and slushy. Could that be had by itself though?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. This is like a mango peach. This could have for the kids.
Yes.
Because I just want to cater. I just really looking forward for kids.
Gotcha.
But also love adults. But most importantly kids, because you know what a kid see like a
the colors drink, and stuff. Yeah.
They say, Mom, I want to drink, and I'm not saying I'm stealing the kid money, but they see the quality. You know?
They're a good market. That's what you're trying to say. They're a good market. There we go. Okay. One more blend. All right, there we go. So what we're gonna add to this one now?
All right, good question, right? So this is where the extra comes in, right? So that's a little bit for the color, because bear in mind this is not too sweet.
Okay.
But this is the sweetness.
That's where you get the sweetness
flavor,
from. Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Smart.
Exactly.
That's why you're the pro.
So here we go.
Oh, I like that color combination. That's nice.
Good to go.
Yeah, you could just add some green and you just say, you know.
All right.
The Ital colors.
Here we go.
Okay. Quickly, before time runs out on us, you know, give us where we can find you, your handles and such.
I mean, I'm located in Kingston at the moment, but as what I said, I can reach out in anywhere in Jamaica. And anywhere in Jamaica can be. Once you send me a location, we pep up here everything for the event.
Okay.
I'll reach out for you.
Oh, I love the addition of the gummies. Oh, that is so nice. I can see why the kids love it.
Exactly.
That's so nice.
So
all right.
Shark.
There we go. So guys, please contact Ricardo, please. All right. For your parties, for your big events, make sure to put this one over this side for me, please. Thank you so much that they can see it and we can pick it up. You're putting everything inside the little oven there so that we can't hold them more, Ricardo.
No, it's good, man. It's good. All right.
Thank you so much, my friend. Congratulations on this business.
Right,
looks good and I'm sure it tastes good, all right?
How far away to go?
Big up yourself, McLaren-Donian. Brother, that was mixologist and owner of Candy Fruit, Ricardo Schmeichel. More to come right here on Weekend Smile after these messages. Stay with us.